Where's your boyfriend, Rubes? Where's your boyfriend? Get it. Get it. Get it, Jasper. Get it. Get it. Hi, Rubikins. Harley May. Harley May Bouvier. Yes, I see you. Where's Rothko? There's Rothko. Where's your girlfriend? Where's Rubikins? There's the ball. Yeah. Rothko! Eli! Laylers! You gonna go potty, Harley? No? Don't gotta go? Okay. Alright. You get it? Yay! Oh, Layla, you almost got it. Where's our Rubikins? There she is. Minnie is stalking Lily today. Lily, do you have a shadow? Do you feel a mosquito buzzing around you? That would be Minnie, who's obsessed with you. You can't quite shake her, can you? I know. It's like having a black cloud over you all day long. But that means she loves you. Yes, it does.